Hey everybody, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, confidentcashcars.com. Folks, I have a beautiful 2008 Ford Expedition EL Limited. This one's top of the line. Very good condition. No rust, four-wheel drive. Every option they came with in 2008. Backup camera, Bluetooth, navigation, sunroof, DVD system, four-wheel drive, chrome alloy wheels, tow package, power, folding third row seat. Oh, everything that you could get in that year. Fully serviced at our shop already, Turnage Auto Care Center in Lexington. And if you ever need service, we're available to you. Paint job is just really good. You can see the sparkle. It's got a few scratches and imperfections. Most significant one being the seat here and the steering wheel there, but all of our imperfections are noted pretty carefully in our photos, so be sure to check all those out. 223,000 miles. AC is ice cold, so I'm going to close the door and enjoy that. There's your navigation. Good and old school. Backup camera is a little up here. Works just fine, nice and clear. Again, you got a sunroof, full DVD system, and this is an 8-passenger vehicle. Your books are here. The code is also in here for the door, the Ford, special little Ford door code. Four-wheel drive. Shifts smooth, drives excellent, engine's quiet, feels absolutely solid, and needs no repairs whatsoever. Third row is flawless. Power hatch and power folding seats. Of course, I need to lay those headrests down first to do that successfully. There's the power hatch button right there. You also have a nifty little shelf situation you can put right there if you'd rather have that. And there is your jack and tools under there. The spare tire is also under the vehicle. And here's how these things fold. Be sure to look at the pictures. You can see it with all the seats folded down, and it is absolutely cavernous in here. Huge, huge storage. This is the EL, so maybe that means extra long. If you're looking for an awesome, awesome Expedition, you won't find a nicer one for this kind of price, especially four-wheel drive with all the options. ConfidentCashCars.com. Thanks for your interest.